Alright, friends, subscribers, and internet strangers, what's up? Welcome to vacation. This is Ocean Lakes, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. It's a camper-side. You got a water slide in the background. It's got lakes, of course, Ocean Lakes, and then houses of all variety everywhere. That man never stops. All right, so you got a all right, so you guys are used to me just throwing out knowledge, right? I show you what I buy. Got a teaching series, but I still got to finish that up. I ain't forgot it yet. I will finish that series, but I'm on vacation. We're talking vacation. Some of y'all get that joke, you sports fans out there. I'm here to tell you, and you need to learn this. A lot of you guys are youngins. A lot of you guys are new at this, or and everybody's in various stages of life. But I can tell you one thing that you need to learn before it's too late. You've heard it your entire life. Time is short. In a blink of an eye, time is short. It's done. You get one shot. And I can't stress to you enough, the happier you will be in life is if you do what you want to do. Figure out, I've said this in the series, figure out what your passion is, what you like in this life. It doesn't matter what it is. It's not limited by color, race, creed, any of those things that society is currently screaming right now. It's what individually, what, and then chase that. But you can't chase it forever. You've got to stop and smell the roses. I'm not one who takes a ton of vacations, and I travel a lot, but don't take vacations. That's kind of an oxymoron, right? So stop, shut it down, take some vacation. I can't tell you, it took a while. The first couple of days that we've been here, it's hard for me to shut down because I'm in the gift shop scanning stuff. It's a disease. I warned you ahead of time. Do not do reselling. Do not do retail arbitrage if you don't understand that it's a disease you're catching. It's a disease, right? But you've got to take time. You've got to build in vacation. You've got to build in personal time, because it truly will. You will work too much. And then when you turn around at the end of the day, it's an old saying, and I can tell you, as someone who has reached their early 50s, I know I don't look that old, right? Or maybe the restriction of beers should give you a little bit of a hint. But if my lovely wife is around, no way in hell she looks even in her 50s. So it is important to enjoy the fruits of your labors and enjoy the time with your friends, family. Working is not everything, and it can be all consuming. This self-employment, the next deal. Oh my God, I can't do this because I'm gonna miss this deal. I'm here to tell you, the next deal is already on its way. There's always another deal. There's always, you can't get caught up and you can't slow down or stop because somebody will pass you. You'll miss something. You'll miss something, all right. You'll miss your life. Do not underestimate the value of taking a vacation, recharging, spending quality time with your friends and family, and let them know that you care for them and that you're not just the person that works, that you're actually a part of their lives. So that's what I got for you today. Short video, just to let you know that, hey, I'm still thinking about you, because I think about reselling all the time, but I'm actually trying to enjoy vacation. We got a couple days left before we drive back. And then next week I am up to the Northeast, so I'll turn the camera on and take you guys with me. That's going to be a fun trip, because I'm going to fly up there and then source back. So, and I'm going to do some yard sales on the way back as well. Might even go visit my mother, who I haven't seen in a couple of years. I'm going to take my own advice again and shut down after the yard sales and spend some time with family, and then come home and get ready to do some products and get into ASD coming up at the end of the summer. And all these long yard sales, right? All right. I hope this is finding you well. I wish every one of you a happy summer and a great week. I will see you next week. Roll Tide.